Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys are all doing well. I received some complimentary gifts from Dior and I wanted to unbox them and show you what I got. Dior has some really beautiful Valentine's Day packaging this year. Holy crap, so pretty. When I opened the box, my mouth dropped. I was like, oh, so pretty. And I've actually collected these over the years. So I thought, what a gorgeous collection this year. And why not turn on the camera and share it with you guys? They have a variety of gift sets available. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and also try on the few lippies that I got. So first things first, we're going to start with the one that I was most excited about. She is gorgeous, you guys. Look at this packaging, right? Like, my mouth dropped. It's so beautiful. So this set comes with a bottle of the Blooming Bouquet fragrance, which smells so beautiful. And then this is the Dior Addict Lip Balm. I love the Dior's perfume so much. And I always get these little bottles. I have like 3 of them here. I really do. I have 3 of them here. I have 3 of them. And then I have the J'adore one. I just love them. They're so cute and dainty. And I just like setting them out for, decoration. Yeah, this box is so cute. And I don't think I'll keep the insert, but I like to collect these boxes for anything. Like I have many of them in my closet. Like I just, you need little boxes for storage in your closet. And so I love using boxes like this for stuff like that. So I'll definitely be keeping the box for that reason. A few perks to be aware of if you decide to order any of these gift sets. They are offering complimentary shipping for loyalty members, complimentary samples with every order. You can also get your stuff engraved. So if you wanted to get your bottle of perfume or your lipstick, whatever, you can have it engraved, which is such a unique idea. I always like to do that during the holidays, or if you want to give it for like a birthday gift, such a great idea. All of those perks are only available on Dior.com. This is what the samples come in. They always come in these little satchels. This is like a deluxe size sample of the Savage Dior cologne, which my son loves that. That's his favorite. I also got a sample of the Dior Capture. This is the correction, the high performance age defying correction. So it's the Oxy treatment. And then we got just a little fragrance sample. And actually I got 2 of them. One is for the Gris Dior and the Bouquet Talisman. I don't know how to explain that. But anyway, you can get nice deluxe size samples. So for those of you who are curious to what the Blooming Bouquet smells like, it's described as like a floral embrace. Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet reveals a fresh, tender trail with velvety notes of Damascus rose and peony enveloped in a softness of a white musk accord. And I would say that's a really good description. 1 spray and you are good. And this is one of those that will last for days. This is one of those fragrances where you put it on a shirt, and if you don't wash the shirt, the next time you go to wear it, you'll still smell the perfume on that shirt. It's long lasting, smells so beautiful, and it's become one of my absolute favorite perfumes. The lasting power on this fragrance is incredible. If you guys have never smelled it, it's divine. And it does have that floral, very feminine tone to it, and it is just beautiful. Every time I wear it, I always get compliments on it. For those of you who really like a really nice, florally, feminine fragrance that's very long lasting, I highly recommend the Blooming Bouquet. It's such a beautiful fragrance. And then as far as the lip that comes with it, this is 001 Pink. So I recently ran out of this. This is one that I just keep in my purse all the time. It's one that's easy to throw on. It's a really natural lip balm. It kind of just enhances the natural pink tones in your lip. And it's a beautiful, it's not too glossy. Like these lip Dior addicts go viral for a reason because they are a really good lippy. And this is a really pretty color. So it's kind of perfect that they chose this to go into the gift. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on so you guys can see what it looks like. My whole filming studio smells just like that. Blooming Bouquet, and it smells so good. Okay, so again, this comes in the set, and this is 001 pink. Like I said, it just enhances your natural lip tone, and it's really pretty. It goes great with lip liners too. And what I like about this is that it gives you enough shine, but it doesn't have too much of a slip and slide, so it lasts longer than a traditional gloss. So love this. So the next gift set I have here is the Dior Lip Glow Duo in the Pink Promise. You get the Dior Addict Lip Glow in shade 077, I believe. Yeah, it's 077 Candy, which has a really pretty like warm undertone. This is Candy up against the 001 Pink. And then you get the Dior Lip Maximizer in 053 Pink Mania. I don't know if you guys can see, but the beautiful shimmer in this. Look at the gorgeous shimmer in that. It's so pretty. Okay, so that's the Lip Addict in 077. I'm gonna put the shimmer gloss on top. Oh, that's gorgeous. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. It's shimmery for sure. They have tons of little gift sets. These are just the ones that I have. Okay, and then this I am really excited about. So this is new to Dior. By the way, the packaging is stunning, right? Like this packaging is so pretty. So these are called their solid perfumes. Perfect for travel. It's perfect to throw into your purse, and you just rub it on your neck, you know, your wrist, and it smells so good. This fragrance is a little on the woodsy, like musky side. So this fragrance stick instantly reveals the familiar floral, fruity, and woody notes of the perfume. Formula's smooth and melting texture glides on the skin, leaving an invisible yet long-lasting trail. That is genius. Let's see, they have tons of different ones. So like different options. What these are for is to kind of bring out certain undertones and certain fragrance notes in an actual spray perfume. Like I said, you could wear it alone, or if you pair it with perfume, let's just say that you want to bring out the floral undertone of the perfume that you're wearing, then you could choose this one. I'll put it up here on the screen. They have them where they're either like a floral base or a fresh base or woodsy, more musky base. They're designed to kind of pair with your favorite fragrance and bring out those specific notes that you love in that particular perfume. This is a really fun idea, especially like if you want to refresh your perfume. Let's just say you put your perfume on in the morning before you leave or whatever. And let's just say you are walking in somewhere and you really want to smell a little extra good. You pull this out of your purse, and without spraying more on, you just dab a little bit of this on your wrist or here on your neck, and boom, like it brings out the perfume that you're wearing. I really, really like this idea. This is really, and I mean, the packaging is beautiful. And like I said, they have different ones for like a mix and match, but such great stuff. And like I said, Dior has a lot of beautiful Valentine's Day gift sets available right now. Now, while I was on the website, I also noticed that Dior has launched their limited edition 5 colors palette. And these are the Glowmania Limited Edition. They have a Peach Mania and they have a Pink Mania. These are gorgeous. Like that teal color and that Pink Mania palette is stunning, right? That's it for this video. I just wanted to turn on the camera and share with you guys these amazing gift sets, beautiful packaging. I mean, absolutely stunning packaging, and share with you guys some of these gift sets that are available on Dior.com. And thank you, Dior, for sending these over to me so that I can share them with you guys. Such a beautiful collection, and I have always been a fan of Dior, and I always will be. It's one of my favorite beauty brands for a reason. Like I mentioned, there are several gift sets available on Dior's website. I will link a few that I saw that are really, really nice gift sets down in the description box down below, along with the gift sets that I shared with you guys today. I hope you guys are doing really well. I am doing good. I will be doing kind of a get ready with me, kind of sharing an update. I do really, really miss you guys, and I hope you guys are doing really good, and you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you. Bye.